Hello, in this short video, we'll see how we can run Python code interactively in Visual Studio. So if you are in Visual Studio 2022, just go to the file over here, go to new and click project. So we are going to create a Python application project, a project for creating a command line application. You can click next after you select it. Then you can give the name of your application, or you can leave it as it is. Then you click create. So you can begin typing your code here. So let's define a function, say print name. So let's declare this variable s equal name. So we want this program or this function to print name. So you can run this code interactively to see the result. As I now, if I press enter, it doesn't run. So to do that in Visual Studio, just select the whole code here. So after selecting the code, right click, then go to send to interactive. So you see that the code will be run in this interactive window, just like how it runs in the command line. Now let us call this function print name. Notice that as you type, it pops up for you to select. So when you call this function, it prints name. Similarly, you can use this prompt here, just like how you use Python in the command line. So you can use it to perform any calculation. So let's say 2 times 8 will give you 16. 2 exponent 3 will give you, 2 exponent 3 will give you 8. Then if you write a code inside the interactive window, you can also send it here. So let's say we have n equal 3. Then we want the program to print three exponent n. So we get 27. If you want this code to be copied and pasted, you just select the code, then you right click, copy code, then you can paste it in your program here. So that is how you run Python code interactively in Visual Studio 2022.